Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the Serpentine Belt on Volkswagen Golf 5 1.9 TDI. The Serpentine Belt on this car is located on the side of the engine, right there, and that's the tensioner pulley right there. But in order to get to the tensioner pulley, we're going to be removing those two bolts for the air intake hose. Remove the air intake hose as well, and also remove the fuel filter housing. Next we're going to remove the two clamps for the air intake hose and put the air intake hose to the side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove the three bolts holding the fuel filter housing because it's in our way as well, and don't disconnect any hoses, just remove the three bolts and put the fuel filter housing to the side. And now we have access to the Serpentine Belt and to the tensioner. That's the tensioner right there. In order to get the belt loose, we need to turn the tensioner clockwise with size 16 ratchet, and also put the pin in between in the two holes when the tensioner is turned clockwise. This is the pin. This way the tensioner will stay in one position and the belt will be loose, and we'll be able to remove it. Now I'm going to turn the tensioner clockwise and put the pin in, and then I'm going to show you exactly what I've done. Here you can see the pin is in between the two holes, one there and one in there, and you can see how the belt is loose. Now we can remove the belt and replace it with a new one. Before putting on the new belt, first I'm going to show you the routing of the belt. And now I'm going to put on the new Serpentine belt. If there is somewhere the belt doesn't want to go on to some pulley, maybe turn the tensioner clockwise all the way with this size 16 ratchet wrench and put the belt on all the way. And now I'm going to remove the pin holding the tensioner. This is the ratchet that I'm using again, size 16. Just turn it clockwise and remove the pin. And then we're done with replacing the belt. Now we can assemble everything in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you very much.